All right, guys, I'm going to show you how to do the new JJ, the second one, find conditional probability. All right, conditional just means like, hey, this only happens, this other thing happens. Okay, so it's a little bit different than the one we did before. All right, so we're going to take a look at some of those questions just in case you're struggling with those. On the first day of music class, students submitted a survey. One survey question asked students to report what music genre they prefer. Another question asked students how frequently they sing in the shower. What is the probability that a randomly selected student prefers rock? Okay, so they like rock, boom, right here, given that the student signs in the shower 1 to 2 times a week. All right, so they prefer rock given that they sign in the shower one to 2 times a week. Okay, so the way you do this is this. They prefer rock given this. So 1 to 2 times and rock is 5, right? But now your total is no longer all of it because now you have, they're telling you, look only at a certain part of your data. So the data that they're looking for is the part after given. So given that they shower 1 to 2 times a week. So in other words, we're only looking at this data, this 1 to 2 times a week. We're not looking at any rock, and 1 to 2 times is 5 out of the only thing given is these two, which is 10. And always remember, again, come into Desmos, put in your fraction, and then hit that button right there, and it will simplify it for you in lowest terms. Because if I put 5 over 10, I'm going to get it wrong. So you go 1/2. Boom. That's it. Okay, so the given part tells you the total. Okay, just what to look at. So what's the probability that a randomly selected cup is medium given, so the data that you're looking at is the cup is yellow. So you're only looking at this data. What's the probability that that cup is medium? So you go to medium. If you're only looking at these two, you go to medium, which is 4 out of a total of how much? 9. 4 out of 9. And then you go right here again, and you go 4 divided by 9. You make sure that it's in lowest terms. It is. Then you press submit. And that's all you're doing over and over again. So I'll do another one. Probability a randomly selected bow tie is made of cotton, given that the bow tie is shaped like a butterfly. So you go shaped like a butterfly is these two. Oh, not that one. I don't know how to just highlight those two, but you're only looking here, which is a total of 9, but you want cotton is 5. So 5 out, and then you come over here and you go 5 out of 9, and you click the fraction to make sure it's as simplified as possible, and it is, and you press submit. All right, so I'm just going to skip a level, just to make sure if the question counts. Changes. What's the probability that a randomly selected song had 501 to 1,000 plays, given that the song was country? So you need, what is my total? Whatever the country songs are, which is 9. And I want it to have 501 right here. 501 to 1,000, so it's 6 over 9. So once again, you go 6 divided by 9. Make sure that you come and put it in Desmos. Oops, not like that. 6 over 9. And then hit the fraction bar, simplifies to 2/3, so make sure you change that. Boom, boom, just like that. All right, so again, I'm going to skip. I'm at 90, so that's all you have to get it to, but I'm going to go ahead and get one wrong so I can see what's before 90. All right, what's the probability a random selected day is one where she slept exactly 6 hours given, okay, so my total is the given part. The day is 1. What? That the day is 1 when she drank exactly 0 cups of coffee. The day is 1. Oh, okay. She drank 0 cups of coffee, which is this total right here. So that's my total. But I wanted to do what? She slept exactly 6 hours. So 6 hours is what I want. And that's 10 out of 21. Okay. Come back here. 10 divided by 21. Boom. Fraction. That's the simplest as it can. And that's it. Okay, so it's not really very difficult. You just need to read the question to see what the data set it is that you're talking about. All right, so go ahead and get this to 90. Guys, remember, okay, please do your work as it goes. Don't wait until later because it's just going to pile up.